Hey guys, we're back again. We're making our second product, which is going to be a billet camshaft cover. It's wet, it's pretty miserable, so we're going to get straight into it. So, first thing we've got to do, scratch our head for a little bit, decide how to do it, and then come up with some genius. Come with me and you'll see something, a world of imagination. Oh, so these are the really ugly cam switch covers. Well, they're not covers, these are actually the cam switches, cam sensors. And they corrode a bit. They're not the nicest looking thing anyway, with these pressed steel things. And I've seen some companies make caps for them. So we're going to make a billet CNC cap to make these look a bit prettier. So, first thing we need to do, our trusty verniers. We're going to measure up and decide how big the cap's going to be, get that bolt spacing between the two, and then we can make something that'll So we're back into CAD. Not the most exciting thing for everybody to watch, so we may just fast forward. Here we are back in Fusion 360, and you can see I've put the program together. To start off, I'm going to face off the stock, I'm going to clear out all the excess material, I'm going to do a contour to make it look pretty on the outside, drill the holes, put in the counterbores, finally chamfer all the sharp edges. At the end of that, we should have our parts out of this piece. We can run that real quick, see what it's going to do. So it's facing off, clearing all the unneeded material away, quite a bit of excess on this bit of stock. This takes it to nearly the right size, but leaves a little bit on so that this operation can come round and finish it. We drill and then we bore out the holes. And there's the chamfer, which just takes off, gives it a nice finish. So that's it for op 1. Send it. Hey, so we're back at the machine. This is our stock. And we're going to slam it in this vise here. So I've moved you to the side window, hopefully you'll get a bit of a better view. So we saw this in the last video. All we're doing is setting our 3 axes to 0. As simple as that.
So this is now just cleaning the outside pass. It's a little bit slower feed and it will give us a nicer finish. So we're drilling now, and you can see it pecking. It goes up and down like this. And this is because it's aluminium, and it's very grabby as aluminium. So it'll get stuck on the drill bit. So allowing this to peck, we're doing a peck every millimetre, up and down every millimetre. It breaks the chip and stops it from clogging up and overheating. This chamfer mill just puts a nice edge on the sharp edge that we'd left. We're doing all of the edges, which is all the way around the outside, and the little bolt holes we've just produced there. And that should be the end of op 1. So that's the first operation. So that's the top. See this little chamfer that the chamfer tool made, and slowing down that speed did this nice edge when we contoured. So now we flip it over and we do the second operation to finish the part. So to do the second op, finishing the shape on the back and taking out the material in the middle and the little cutout. I've nothing to hold because I want to machine all the way around and the back. But what I did do is drill all the way through. So we've made a little fixture, which is this shape, so that it fits right in. We've drilled and tapped it so we can bolt the thing down. So that's it, bolted down, not going anywhere, and we're away. So that's our finished cap. So there we are. So we're back at the car. We have our cap. We're going to try and fit it lefty loosey. Okay, after 3 hours of trying to prop the camera up somewhere you can actually see what I'm doing. Trusty 10mm, will it even fit with my rubbish measurements? So far so good, looking pretty good. We've got some new cap heads, they're called cap head bolt, and of course I've not brought the right tool to actually tighten them up, but they fit. What an absolute revelation that is. Then at some point I'll give up and go get some Allen keys to tighten them properly. So that's it. That's the cam cover fitted. Oh. So as you can see, this bit looks beautiful and the rest looks terrible. So what do we think? Improved? Now we do get all our parts anodized. We'll be getting some in black, red and blue. So that's one, but there's actually, as you can see, 2, 3, 4 of these ugly things. So we need 3 more. Now the next thing we should do is probably just actually clean our engine bay. Starting with a wash would be good, but we're not going to bother because CNC parts are more interesting. So what next? Let us know, what should we do next? So that's it, that's our second part made. We're going to put that up on the website along with our battery strap we made last time. We're going to put some other parts on there that we're going to make in future. Thanks guys, see you next time.